Hi, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings here, and guess what arrived? I filmed my one from last month and I had problems with my computer, so I didn't get it posted, but this is my October box. I just came in the mail. I have not seen it. I know what's in it because, you know, with the Grove, you pick and choose what you get when you want it, and this is the stuff that I was in need for, so it just arrived. Okay, so cute. They even say a little thank you on the box. It says, thanks, Amy. That's so cute. Now, the Grove is a subscription cleaning product service. Okay, so I am not sponsored by them. I pay for my products, but I have so much fun with this. I want to share it with you guys each month when I get my packages. I'm huge into cleaning products. I'm huge into the scents, but I want to be more natural, but also have my house smell beautiful. So that's why I get excited about this stuff. And for those of you who get excited about cleaning products too, let's have some fun and let's see what I got. Woohoo! You're gonna be excited about this first one. I'm giving their toilet paper a try. This is hilarious. Oh no, these are the paper towels. These are the paper towels. My lighting. We're in the middle of a storm right now. That's why I'm having fun with doing the videos instead. So it is kind of dark. I'm trying to adjust my lighting. Okay, so it's not toilet paper. It was paper towel. I thought I ordered the toilet paper, but I got the paper towel. And I go through a ton of paper towel. One, I mean, I'm constantly wiping stuff down in my house. But two, I work on furniture, so I always have to have paper towel on hand. And let me see if, the one thing I always look for is select a size. I don't think these are gonna be select a size. I think they're individual sheets. Let me get it started. Paper towel. I'm checking for lint. Well, not that I can tell, not much lint, but it is not a select a size. You get, you know, one size sheet and one size to pick from, but it's a small enough size that I don't feel like I'm wasting if I want to just take one sheet at a time. Okay, so it's paper towel, not toilet paper. But what's great about this is it's made 100% with sustainable bamboo and sugar cane. So we're not wasting any trees on this one. So that, I mean, you gotta feel good about that. And it's 2-ply, 70 sheets per roll, 309 square feet total area. That's pretty cool. And there's 12 rolls in this package. So paper towel, one fun thing. Okay, so like I told you, I'm big into scents. So I got the new hand soap and I got it in the apple cider. A lot of these smells you can't get at the store. That's what's great about doing the Grove, is I get to have scents that I can't normally get at the store. And oh my, you know, I like compassion flower. If you watch my last Grove, compassion flower is like my favorite scent. Oh no. This smells like straight up apple cider. This is, oh, I wish I would have bought more of these. This is the hand soap, and it's in the apple cider scent, and it's the liquid hand soap. Oh no, I wish I would have bought more of these. Oh my God, that smells just like a big glass of warm apple cider. It doesn't smell fake, it smells like apple cider. That's so cool. I'm like, I just love the scents of things. Okay, so this one I was kind of curious about. This is another hand soap, and it's called Iowa Pine. Well, I was born and raised in Iowa, so I was really curious what the Iowa Pine scent smells like. Now these soaps are made with, I think all of them are made that way. Yeah, they're made with olive oil and aloe vera. So that is pretty cool too, olive oil and aloe vera. Okay, it's called Iowa Pine. This smells like a Christmas tree. This is straight up pine. Now, I'm not a huge fan of pine, but since it said Iowa Pine, I had to do it because I was born and raised in Iowa. So if you like that pine scent, that pine smell, like of a Christmas tree in your house or whatever, I never have a real Christmas tree because pine is very strong for me. This smells like exactly like a pine tree, like I have a branch of pine sitting in here. So if you like pine, you'll love this. So that's interesting, but still the apple cider vinegar, that's my favorite now. Okay, and like I told you, compassion flower was my #1 scent. Now the apple cider is, but the compassion flower is one that you can't get in stores. I bought this last month, and I didn't show the video for last month, but this is the room deodorizer, and it's in Compassion Flower. It's just a little spray bottle, and you can, I don't wanna spray it on my counters, but you mist your room. I got one of these, love it. I keep it in my master bedroom, and I spray down the pillows once a week. I just mist the pillows. I love that smell when I fall asleep. But this air freshener, I love it because the Compassion Flower is my favorite scent. So this is just a nice, easy little air freshener, and it's non-aerosol, and it's made with essential oils. So that is the Compassion Flower. That was a repeat buy. I mean, I was so excited about that, the scent of that I had to buy another one, just so I can keep it in another part of the house. Once again, Compassion Flower. Do you think I'm obsessed? Love the Compassion Flower. This is the MultiSurface Everyday Cleaner. Now, I bought this one in, I think the Lemon Verbena, I think it was called, or I can't remember the scent, but it was like a lemony scent. But since I like the Compassion Flower so much, I decided to get the Everyday Cleaner in that as well. That way I kind of keep the scents the same throughout the house, and I'm not mixing so many different scents around when it comes to cleaners. But the Everyday Cleaner, I loved the first one I got, so I bought a second one and got a second scent, and to kind of mix it up a little bit. Guess what scent I got? Okay, the dishwashing soap. I went through my one bottle already in 1 month. I found that putting this down and they put these little tapes on them. It's noisy, hold on. That's to keep it from leaking in your package. Okay, so I bought one in September, and I bought another one in, I bought one in August. My first box had it in it. I ended up buying a second one for my next box, and then I got one again this month. I'm going through a lot of this because of the fact that it's dishwashing liquid, by the way, and it's in Compassion Flower, by the way. Go figure. You see a trend here? I'm obsessed with the scent. But what I like about it is I put it down my garbage disposal. So, you know, after I put food down my garbage disposal, I do this about every other day. I will just put a few drops down my garbage disposal, turn on the water, and then turn on my garbage disposal. And my garbage disposal will smell really nice as well. And then I don't have that food smell coming up from my disposal. I just put this down there. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not, but you know what? It really works. So like I said, I've been going through this like crazy. I'm using this to clean my paintbrushes because I'm a painter. I'm using it to clean my paintbrushes. I'm cleaning my garbage disposal with it, and I'm washing dishes with it as well. So I'm going through a lot of this. This is my third bottle. And Compassion Flower, of course. That was my dog. Okay, now I got the glass cleaner again this month. Now this worked really good in my glass top tables, and then when I'm cleaning furniture out in the garage. I found that the glass cleaner worked really well. It didn't leave streaks. I got it in a lemon scent last time, and I've gone through, I only had like a third of a bottle left. I went through so much of it in the last 2 months that I got another one, and this time I thought I'd get a little crazy and mix it up a little bit. I went with lavender. And I think I've had the lavender before. I'm not, yeah, I've had the lavender before. It's just a pretty, very subtle, clean smell. It's not my #1 scent, but you know, a girl can only have so much Compassion Flower stuff in the house. But so I decided to mix it up a little bit, and I went with the lavender. And it is a pretty scent. It's very subtle. If you don't like very strong, you know, these aren't like strong, but if you're not much into the scents like I am, the lavender is very mild. Okay, this is a repeat buy. Get excited about this one. Antibacterial toilet cleaner. So once again, they started adding these tapes on here so they don't leak in your package. But the toilet bowl cleaner, I really liked it. And so now I'm just, you know, trying to put one on each floor of the house. So I got one, it's on the main floor. Now I got another one. It's gonna go upstairs, so I don't have to walk back and forth with it. But eventually, each month when I'm doing my orders, I'm gonna add this to it every month. That way, eventually I'll have one for every bathroom in our house. But I liked it. I like the fact that it's not that harsh. And this one has a spearmint smell. I'm not gonna open it because I already have one open. And it's the spearmint smell. It really does smell like Wrigley's gum. That spearmint smell, if you know what I mean. But I think that's why I get so excited about these products, is one, they all just smell amazing, and I'm huge into, it's like a box of, you know, like getting a box of different florals, and you get to change everything around all the time. So I love the sense of everything, and that I can get to be more natural. I'm not having harsh chemicals in my house, and I'm not exposing myself to harsh chemicals. So that's what I love about it. This is, it kills 99% of household germs. So I'm not sure how they do that and still be natural, but there's gotta be a way. And you can check out their site. I'll put all their information down below. Their site really does explain how well they are as far as being environmentally conscious. And I mean, that's one thing that got me really excited about them. Now this is something brand new. I mean, not brand new, but brand new to me. I usually use those Tide Pods, and I find that ever so often in my laundry, one of those Tide Pods, because I have one of those front loader washers, which I hate front load washers, but I'm stuck with it because I bought it. But the front load washers, when I throw in those Tide Pods, sometimes they don't completely dissolve, and my kids will bring me back their shirts and they'll have a crunched up Tide Pod or whatever those things are stuck in their shirt, and it's already gone through the dryer. And so I decided to go back to trying liquid, and this one is Method's laundry detergent. 66 loads. Let me get this tape off here. Okay, the smell is fresh air. And as far as laundry is concerned, I mean, the scent is important to me, but I don't want to have harsh chemicals against my skin. So let's see how this is gonna smell. Smells like a dryer sheet. Very subtle. It's not a strong smell, and so I'll have to give it a try and see how it goes, but it's naturally derived cleaning power. Fresh air is the scent that I chose. 3-in-1 cleaning power. Powerful stain lifter, brightens colors and whites, and fragrance that lasts. But I mean, so that's great. But it's a very subtle fragrance. It's not like, I know some of the Gain laundry detergents that I've had smell beautiful, but they're really strong. Okay, I got a freebie, so I chose the lotion as my freebie, and hopefully it's a scented lotion, because especially if I'm gonna put lotion on, I want it to be scented. I can only imagine if I could get compassion flower in a lotion. Well, it's hilarious, I mean, to me, that I'm just obsessed with the smells. Oh, I can't smell anything. It has no smell whatsoever. Bummer. I was kind of hoping it was gonna have a smell. No, absolutely no smell whatsoever. And this is their hand cream. It says bergamot orange with moisturizing coconut. My dog's playing on the paper. Quick, boy. Okay, it's made with coconut and rose chip oil. Okay, but it does have, it's supposed to smell like orange, but there's absolutely no scent to it whatsoever, at least as far as I can smell. But we'll see how, it feels good. It's not sticky. That's one of my freebies. Okay, there's only 2 more things in here. So I got a lot of stuff this month. Okay, this I wanted because I have this kind of cool. This is, okay, so I got this brush, and it's a scrub brush. Lean and Mean it's called. Tough brittles for tough messes, stands up for fast drying, and allows center use, I don't have my glasses on. Hollow center uses 50% less material, so that's some of the ways it saves. So I like these, especially for like cleaning my bathtubs, and when I'm done using them, and I'm not gonna use them in the house anymore, I use them out in the garage on my furniture. And look at, they made it hollow so that there's less plastic being used. The bristles are nice and stiff and very thick. So I was pretty excited about this one. I like, you know, and I like cleaning products. And the last thing I got is the last 2 months in a row I've gotten this in the grapefruit. So I thought I'd kind of mix it up and go on the wild side again. And I went with a lime and sea salt. I had no idea. I was curious what lime and sea salt was gonna smell like, but these are their all-purpose wipes. I think they're antibacterial wipes. But the nice thing about these two is they're compostable. I don't like to do too much waste. They smell like aloe vera to me. It doesn't smell like lime and sea salt. Let me see if I pull one up if I can really smell it. No, it's not, just like the grapefruit one. The grapefruit one has very mild smell to it. Same thing with this, the lime and sea salt. To me, like I said, it smells like an aloe vera product. You know, when you put aloe vera on your hands, it has the slight, very faint lime smell to it, but this is lime and sea salt. And if you're worried about fragrances, this is very minimal. Not much for fragrance on this at all. Okay, so is that everything? So I got some fun stuff. At least I think it's fun. I love cleaning products. I don't know why I get so excited about this, but for the Grove, once again, the Grove is a subscription cleaning products you can get, but they also have health and wellness. They have, last month I got their diffuser, and I have lavender essential oil, like not essential oils, yeah, essential oils, lavender essential oils that are used and diffused in my bedroom at night, and it hooks up with a USB cable, so no batteries. And the light changes colors. That was from last month, but I didn't get a chance to get that videotaped. But it has a little bit of everything. Household products, cleaning products, first aid, health and wellness, just things for around the house as well. They've got a lot of stuff, and that's what I like. I get to control what I want when I want it. So they have a little schedule in there. You fill your cart and you add what you're gonna need, and then with that item, you also get to say, I would probably need this every other month. So it'll get re-added to your cart every other month, and then you go in, they send you an email, they let you know that a shipment's getting ready, and then you can go in and alter your cart to, let's say you didn't use all your laundry detergent, you decide you don't need it this month. You would remove it from your cart, and it's just really nice and convenient. And like I said, I really want to use less chemicals around the house. I want to be more environmentally conscious, but I don't want to skimp on my house smelling pretty. So you get scents that only are available to them. Once again, this is the Grove. I'll have the information down below. I do have an affiliate link with them, and you can go check out their page, read up all about them, and if you're interested in participating, then go ahead and join in. Like I said, I get these products for less than what they cost at the grocery store. And since I joined their VIP program, I get free shipping as well. So I'm actually ahead of the game when it comes to, instead of going to the grocery store to get these, I get to have more fun with it, and I don't have to pay extra. Okay, well, this is Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings with another Grove unboxing. And for those of you who are into cleaning and cleaning products as much as I am, you're gonna love it. Go check out the website. Okay, well, until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.